Do you want to know the top 5 social media platforms that can make you millions? Welcome to Money Masters, where we delve into the digital world of opportunities. In this age of connectivity, social media isn't just about sharing selfies and cat videos. It's a goldmine, a platform that can catapult your wealth to new heights. We're talking about turning likes into dollars, followers into fortunes. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey into the realm of lucrative social media. Stay tuned as we unravel these platforms one by one. First on our list, a platform that needs no introduction, Facebook. Now folks, when we're talking about social media giants, Facebook is undeniably the king of the jungle with a gargantuan user base of over 2.8 billion active users. That's nearly a third of the entire global population. It's a bustling marketplace of ideas, products, and services. Now, you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but how can I convert those billions into greenbacks? Well, my friend, that's where the power of Facebook's business tools come into play. With tools like Facebook ads, pages, and groups, you can reach a global audience with just a few clicks. Let's talk about Facebook ads first. These ads are not just plain old billboards, they're precision-targeted missiles aimed at your potential customers. You can target people based on their interests, location, age, and a whole lot more. It's like having a personal billboard in every user's pocket. Now onto Facebook pages. Think of a page as your business's home on Facebook. It's where you can post updates, interact with your customers, and even sell products directly. And the best part? Creating a Facebook page is as easy as pie. Then we have Facebook groups. These are like virtual clubs where like-minded individuals gather. By creating or joining relevant groups, you can interact directly with your target audience, gain invaluable insights, and even make direct sales. Now all this might sound like a tall tale, but let me assure you, it's all true. There are countless success stories of folks who started from scratch and made it big on Facebook. From small businesses finding their niche audience to influencers building worldwide followings, the possibilities are endless. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, don't overlook the power of Facebook. With its vast user base and robust business tools, it can help you reach customers you never even knew existed. So, Facebook can indeed be your goldmine if used strategically. And remember, the key to success on any platform is consistency and authenticity. So, start building your empire today, one post at a time. Next up, we have Instagram, the platform that transformed visual content sharing. Now, Instagram is a big hit, particularly with the younger crowd. You know, those folks who practically live on their phones, snapping selfies, sharing stories, and exploring the world one scroll at a time. It's the place where visual content reigns supreme. And if you can capture their attention, you're already halfway to success. But how do you make money on Instagram? Well, it's not just about posting pretty pictures, though that does help. It's about leveraging your influence in creative ways. First off, there's sponsored posts. Once you've built up a following, brands might approach you to promote their products or services. It's a simple concept. They provide the goods and you provide the exposure. You get paid for posting about their product, and they get their brand in front of your followers. It's a win-win. Affiliate marketing is another avenue. This involves promoting a product and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. It's a great option if you have a niche audience that trusts your recommendations. Then there's selling your own products or services. Maybe you're a fitness guru selling workout plans or a chef selling your own line of gourmet spices. Whatever your passion, Instagram can be a powerful tool to reach potential customers and drive sales. And folks, there are plenty of success stories out there. Just look at Kayla Itsigns, a personal trainer from Australia who leveraged her Instagram following to launch a fitness empire. Or Murad Osman, a photographer whose unique travel photos catapulted him to global fame. So you see, Instagram is more than just a place to share your lunch or your latest outfit. It's a platform where creativity, influence, and entrepreneurship meet. It's a place where you can turn your passion into profit and your followers into customers. With the right content and strategy, Instagram can be your money-making machine. Coming up next is YouTube, the video sharing giant. Now hold on to your hats because we're diving into the world of video content creation, where the opportunities to rake in the big bucks are plentiful. YouTube, a platform that needs no introduction, is a hotbed for content creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs alike. It's a place where creativity meets commerce and where anyone with a camera and a dream can potentially strike gold. Now, there are various ways to earn money on YouTube. First off, there's ad revenue. Every time a viewer watches an ad on your video, you get a cut of the profit. It's as simple as that. But remember, folks, the key here is getting those views up. So, creating engaging, high-quality content is paramount. Then we have channel memberships. This is a feature that allows your subscribers to pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive perks. Think of it like a VIP club for your biggest fans. It's a great way to generate a steady income while also building a tight-knit community. Brand partnerships are another avenue to explore. If you manage to catch the eye of a company or brand, they might just sponsor your videos. This could mean featuring their product, creating a dedicated video, or even just giving them a shout-out. It's a win-win situation. They get publicity, and you get paid. But let's not forget, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, dedication, and a true passion for creating video content. It's about building an audience, forming connections, and fostering engagement. And when you do it right, the results can be life-changing. Just ask the likes of PewDiePie, Mr. Beast, or any of the countless success stories that YouTube has birthed. So, if you've got a knack for video creation and a burning desire to share your content with the world, YouTube might just be your ticket to millionaire status. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about doing what you love and making a difference while you're at it. So go on, grab that camera and start creating. YouTube might be your ticket to millionaire status if you're passionate about creating video content. Fourth on our list is TikTok, the short video platform that took the world by storm. TikTok has grown exponentially in recent years, becoming a global phenomenon. It's like a whirlwind that swept across the globe, leaving no stone unturned and no screen untouched. This platform is not just about viral dance moves and lip-syncing to catchy tunes. It's a goldmine waiting to be unearthed. Yes, folks, we're talking about making money and potentially a lot of it on TikTok. How, you ask? Let's dive right in. One way to earn on TikTok is through live gifts. These are virtual presents that viewers can buy and send to their favorite creators during live broadcasts. As a creator, you can then cash these gifts out. Then we have brand partnerships. If you manage to build a substantial following, brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. And let's not forget influencer marketing. With a large enough audience, you can leverage your influence to partner with brands and earn a pretty penny. Success stories? Well, there are plenty. Take Charli D'Amelio, for instance, who went from an ordinary teenager to a multimillionaire, all thanks to her TikTok fame. So if you're looking to make some serious cash, don't overlook TikTok. With its massive user base and engagement rates, TikTok can be your road to riches. Last but not least, LinkedIn, the professional networking platform. Now, LinkedIn is a different beast altogether compared to the other platforms we've discussed so far. This isn't just a place to share your lunch photos or dance videos. No, sir. LinkedIn is a world of professionals, executives, and decision makers. It's a platform where business happens. Here's the thing about LinkedIn. It's not just about connecting with others. It's about providing value. And when you do that, the opportunities to earn are abundant. Let's talk about some of those. First off, we have business to business, or B2B services. Are you an expert in your field? Well, there are companies out there looking for that expertise. Whether it's consulting, freelance work, or even full-time employment, LinkedIn is a gold mine for professionals wanting to offer their services. Another money-making avenue is sponsored content. If your profile has a substantial following, businesses might pay you to promote their products or services. It's a win-win. They get exposure, and you get a nice little paycheck. And let's not forget job placements. With the right connections and a well-crafted profile, LinkedIn can be your ticket to a high-paying job. Just ask Bill, who landed a six-figure position thanks to his LinkedIn network, or Lisa, who started her own successful consulting firm after connecting with the right people on the platform. LinkedIn, with its professional audience, can open doors to lucrative opportunities. So put on your best digital suit and tie and start networking your way to the top. So there you have it, the top 5 social media platforms that can make you millions. We've delved into the depths of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Each holds unique opportunities for you to tap into, so don't be shy. Dive right in and find the platform that resonates with your unique style. And hey, why not explore them all? The world is your oyster. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more valuable content from Money Masters.